Hey guys, how are you all? Today we are going to start our new topic, that is data type, and let's have a quick revision of yesterday's topic that we learned previous class. Okay, quickly I will open Google Colab Notebook, and somebody new in this class though, so I will tell you here. Then next it will open automatic like day one here. Let's have a quick revision. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language, interpreted language, and Python is used for web application, mobile application, and many more. And it's object-oriented programming language. And we covered basic syntax, variables, and today's our topic will be data type, typecasting, and function. I will try to cover and all. And here is the difference between Java programming and Python programming. Java programming syntax is this, and Python programming syntax is here. And what is variable? Anything in programming language where we can store the value, that is called variable. Variable have some data. Variable have some memory address, or where we can store the value. It's occupying some space, that is called variable. Here a is equal to 45 and print is a keyword. A is a variable, 45 is a assigning value in A, and A is a variable. Where print, it will print, then 45 output will come. Then 45 is taking some memory address to store in the computer. That is called variable, where we can store the value and having some memory address. That is called variable. And here second example, a John has a string data type. Now we are going to learn what is data type. Here a is a variable, John is have some value in a, where print is a keyword. Means in variable a, John is a value, and while printing it, John came out. So this all the concepts of variable. Same here, same example like this only. And yeah, next our topic is data type. Today we are going to cover data type. What is data type? Now I will open new notebook, and here we're going to discuss what is data type. Yeah, it's open. Data type. Quick, I will write what is data type. What is data type? And here I will change Python data. Data type means, in a simple language, the type of data that is called data type, where like in a variable we is storing the int type data, and like here I will show, here is int, this is called data type. 45 is the assigning value in a, 45 is integer type data, and John is string type of data. 45 int means numeric value, and string means alphabetical value. And in string value, now I will come the types of data. Types of data is called data type. It is numeric. It is numeric, numeric, alphabetically, and etc. This is called data type. The types of data where we going to define in variable that is integer type data or alphabetically or string type of data, that is called data type. Here I will take one more text, like numeric is called numeric data is equal to int. Int type data is called numeric data, and alphabet is equal to string types. Data having different types, like this I'm giving example, like int is a numeric type data, and string is defined under two invited comma. Here, like you example I will give here, like Shiva. This is string type data. Here you will assign like 45, 3, 5, 9. This is called intri- integer type data. Here this is alphabetical type data, like Ram, Sham. This all are string type, part of parts of data type. First is like number, second sequence, third boolean, fourth sets. Here is set, and five is dictionary. Number sequence, boolean, set, and dictionary. Here we going to cover one by one with theory as well as programming for int. Okay, here I will write also int, float, and complex. This is all comes under number. Like here I will do one code int, like a is equal to 78. This is integer type data type. Here I will write integer data type. A is equal to 5.6. Decimal value will come, then it's a float type data type. Float data type 5.6. When it will come point also, like a is equal to 6.0 also it will come. Then this also float data type. Float data type. If it will come like a is equal to zero point 0.7, this is also float data type. Wherever you see the decimal, that is called float data type. Int and float, don't be confused. Where is float? Wherever you see decimal, this is called float data type. Okay, how you will check this, which data type it is, like 78 is integer and 56 is a float? How you get to know? Okay, now I will give one example to more clear it. Like a is equal to, I will write 78, print print a. What will come? 78 will come. 78 is came. Okay, now how you will check about it that it's a integer value or it's a float value? Here a here you can write over there only type, small letter, you close a, one brace is removed, print type a, put. Now it will come which data type it is. It is showing it's an integer type data type. Got it? I will give one more example so that it's a clear to all of you. A is equal to 98, or simple I will take a is equal to 2 and print it. First the value of a, then what it will come? First it will come 2. And how you will check it's which type of data type? Here I will write so that you get to know how to check. Here you write type and close the value of variable. And here it will come. Okay, one braces I missed. See here I opened and I closed. Here I opened, here I not closed. And now I closed it. Here it came integer type data type. It will tell which class you make it, that is integer. This is integer data type. And now how you will check it's a float? Same way. You need to check with same way. Now here I will write float, float data type. From here I will show float data type. Okay. Now like a is equal to 78.5 and is equal to, I not put it, and print a, what will come? 78.5 it will come. And now I want to check which type of data type it is. Same I will copy here, I will paste here and I will write type inside the braces. This I will close a and one braces type, I will write type. Okay, sorry I not closed it. Type. Here it's coming float type data type is came. This is float because it's having decimal. Got it? I hope till here it's a clear to everyone. How you will define a, where is a numeric value, that is integer. Okay, here I can check, I can see also here integer value, this is 78, it's an integer value. 2 it's came, here I checked, here I write it syntax, and now here I checked uh, type, which type of data type it is. I hope numeric and float data type, this are clear to everyone. Complex data type. Complex, you people learned in class 12 also, complex number, imaginary numbers, number system. Its chapter was number system. In that complex number was there. So I will just taking one variable and I will put 1 plus 3 I, small I, that is imaginary part, this is genuine part. That is called complex number. Okay, and here I will print the value of x. Sorry, it's a small x. This is genuine part and this is imaginary part. So imaginary sorry, imaginary part is 3 and this is like this. I need to print. Then it will come here what we assign the value of x, that it will come. Now how will I check this is complex or float? Same way we did. Like here I will copy this code and I will in print I will do double braces. Here I will write type and break it close. Now it will show this is complex data type. First one, I hope all this clear to everyone. Int, float and complex number part is clear. Now we going to shift on sequence, boolean set and dictionary. One to one I will discuss over here. Let's see how much we people going to cover here today. Okay. Here you can define it's a good way also like a print. You can put this and this is the like that you define. Yeah, here I need to put comma. This is the complex data type. Now here also you can put this part is printing over here and this part is printing over here. This is class complex data type. This is the data type you can write here. This is the data type of complex type. Okay, you can understand like this so that it will be in your mind. Okay. Let's see. I hope till here this part is clear to everyone. Today we learned data type, numeric, alphabetical. Alphabetical means string data types. We're going to cover in the sequence, boolean and set and dictionary. Today number means int, float and complex we covered. And if you people have any doubts, then comment below. I will try to clear and elaborate with more examples so that it will clear one by one, because this is a basic part. This need to be clear. Let's meet on next video because this video become too much long. Now I will cover next video sequence, boolean, set and dictionary, and we're going to cover a string value in that. And yeah, let's enjoy. Let's have code with us. That's fun. Okay, let's meet in a next video.